BB gang. Yo, are you using a hard brush? Oh, you ain't using a hard brush, huh? Oh, you think using a hard brush when your hair is short is gonna get to that hair scalp, it's gonna irritate your scalp, huh? You think that it's not beneficial when your hair is short? It hurt? Bro, suck it up, man. I'm about to show you guys why is it beneficial to use a hard brush when your hair is short on a fresh cut. Let's get it. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppyblasted coming at y'all with another banger, man. Look, I told y'all, bro. I use hard brushes, man. I use hard brush. I use my brush, man. My hard brush. Get it from peopletogmerch.com. I use my hard brush on shortcuts, man. But before we start the video, look, check it out. Make sure you guys like the video right now. Smash the like button, please. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, make sure it's highlighted. That way you will not miss out on none of the drops, pretty much. All right. Every time I get a drop a video, you will get it and you'll watch it. All right. For the ones that subscribed already, like I said, bro, make sure that the bell is highlighted, please, because it might have unhighlighted you guys because you know I've been consistent now, but for a minute I was off. So it might mess up the algorithm. So just make sure, do that favor for me. Make sure that the bell is highlighted. That way you will get notified when I drop a video, all right? I ain't doing this shit for nothing, man. I ain't doing this shit for nothing. I'm trying to be genuine on y'all niggas, man. Boy, if you don't. Like, check it out. Look, the reason why I say that it's beneficial to brush, damn, my mirror dirty as hell. To use a hard brush, man, when you're not woofing, when you're woofing, when you're not woofing, all that, right? I'm not woofing, obviously, I got a shortcut. So it's beneficial to use a hard brush on shortcuts, right? And the reason why I do that, so I gotta clean this mirror off. The reason why I do that is because my hard brush is a true hard. I have true mediums, I have a true soft. It is what it is. Sometimes people come out with brushes and they hard brush don't be a hard brush, right? But look, I'm gonna show you guys how I brush to make it not hurt when your hair is short, because I got a tool, remember? And it was about a week ago. So my hair is dirty and all that, I ain't gonna cap. So look, I'm ready for a wash. I'm about to give y'all a wash video too soon. But look, you gotta know how to finesse, bro. Look, I got the perfect side, the perfect brush, and a perfect, like, you know, brush texture. The brush pretty much is not all that hard to rip off your damn scalp, okay? It can though if you're doing it hard, but you gotta know how to finesse. You gotta know how to finesse your hair, man. Finesse your patterning with the brush. So you pretty much, when you're using a hard brush, man, look, when you're getting the brush session in, don't brush hard. Just go like this. Don't go off. The more pressure you put on your head, like, it's like when you hammering something, right? When you hammering something, obviously the more pressure and the more harder you hammer, the more the nail gonna go in, right? It's the same thing with this on your head. You don't wanna, on your head, you wanna just finesse it. You see what I'm saying? So you can definitely use hard brushes, even if it's not mine, on a fresh cut. And trust me, it's stupid beneficial, bro. I don't care if your hair is not even that long. Hard brushes is good to use even when your hair is short. You about to do a brush with me right now, man. Get a session in with this hard brush. You know what I'm saying? With my dirty ass hair. But we still getting it in, bro. It don't matter. See these angles? Like I'm not You know what I'm saying? I'm not doing that. I'm doing this. And I could go even faster still finesse. It's gliding on my head, but it's gliding just enough to get down to the scalp because my hair ain't even long. But see, a lot of you guys don't use hard brushes on fresh cuts. But bro, even back in the days, I used to use hard brushes on fresh cuts. You just gotta know how to use the correct way on fresh cuts. That's the problem. You gotta know how to use it the correct way on fresh cuts. That's all it is, bro. See? You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. And like I said, I can even go fast. It really don't matter. But it's all about the pressure that you apply when brushing, when using a hard brush. Don't apply so much pressure. You know, apply that brush work, yeah. Apply pressure with that brush work, but don't apply pressure pushing down on your head with the brush because it could possibly damage your scalp, irritate your scalp. Irritated scalp is not good when you try to get waves, man, because you irritated, it's gonna make your hair itch. You're gonna get bumps and shit in your head. You don't want that. Nope. So be careful when you're using a hard brush, but you can use it. And I'm telling you, it is beneficial. I've been going crazy with my hard brush. But after you use the hard brush, obviously you want to use the soft brush. The medium brush, my bad. The medium brush too, as well. After, you want to use that medium metallic gold joint. Nothing else like it. And then you want to finish it off, obviously, with the softy, man. It's the Batman right here. It's that Batman. Softy crazy though. So it kind of feel good though when you use the hard brush first, when your hair is short, because when you get done using this, obviously it's gonna be a little tender because it is a hard brush and you use it on your head with a fresh cut. But when you use that medium, it's gonna be a little softer than this. And then when you use that softy, it's gonna be like soothe it. You feel me? With the softy, it feels good using that last because it's soothing your head now. You know what I'm saying? Pause. It's soothing it though. You know what I mean? Because it's softer, so it kind of like feel good, low key. But I appreciate you guys for watching, man. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. You know, for the ones who are commenting anything and stuff, you know, y'all comment below right now, man. Y'all can talk to your boy. Y'all know I'll comment back. You got any questions or anything, man, you know I'll talk back. That's what I'm here for, bro. I do talk back. I'm not bougie. You know what I'm saying? I know the channel. You know, we starting over, bro. We gotta get it back going. That's why I tell you guys, man, to please make sure you guys got the notifications turned on, man, that bell. So that way y'all won't miss out on nothing, because it's not notifying people, man. It's like I started over because I was off for so long, you know what I'm saying? And it's crazy because out of nowhere, man, you know, I was getting like emails and stuff. Like I follow my emails. So when I get emails, I got two emails. I got a business email and I got like a regular email. My regular email is through like YouTube and stuff. My poppyblasted one, that's through YouTube. It was so full though. But I'll be getting like notified from YouTube on certain little changes that they having and stuff like that. And for a minute, I wasn't getting nothing. So they probably was telling you like, you know, you gotta do such and such before we unmonetize your account. Because when I started back like a month ago, when I started back uploading, right? When I didn't upload for a year, bro, when my first video when I uploaded, and this was like a month ago, my first upload since it was a year, they would not monetize the video. I had to like request to get it monetized again. So that's why I know something happened to my channel. That's why I'm like, we not getting a lot of views. People not getting notified and all that. So I'm not even getting monetized videos. I am now, but it's like as if I started over, you feel me? So I think they was sending stuff out to content creators through my email, letting me know, you know, if you don't drop a video, we're gonna stop monetizing your video, such and such, do this. But like I said, my storage on my regular email was full. So I didn't get the notification. You see what I'm saying? So that shit had me mad. I'm like, bro, it's like I'm starting over again. But at the end of the day, I do this for y'all. I ain't really tripping. But nigga, I don't care. I need to monetize my videos. Y'all already know. We gotta get that bag, bro, at the same time. You see what I'm saying? 'Cause I put a lot of work into, you know, still trying to manage the business, drop these videos, you know what I'm saying? Help y'all out still, shit like that. So that's why I tell you guys, please make sure, cause we starting over, so please make sure that you're getting notifications, man. Make sure that the bell is highlighted, all right? So yeah, that's it, man. But yeah, y'all see what I'm doing, right? You can take, bro, you can take the pressure, the amount of pressure that I'm using with the hard brush with this one, you can take it. And this is not, bro, it's a true hard, so it is hard though. I ain't gonna cap. Is it A119 hard? Yeah, but you know how A119, the OGs, you know, the Diane brushes? A119, I'm tripping. Is it 8159 hard? Yeah, it is, but the A159, after a while, bro, those brushes get soft. This one stays fresh out the box. It stays that same, you know what I'm saying? Stay hard. Stay what it is. If it's a hard, it's gonna stay hard the whole time. You know what I'm saying? I even wash and style with my hard, bro. You know? But I don't wash and style with my hard when my hair is short, though. I wash and style with my medium when my hair is short. So anyways, man, it's pretty much just how you use the brush, how much pressure you apply on the shortcut while using the hard brush. That's it. Well, you see I'm going crazy, and it's not even like, I feel it, of course, but it's enough to where it's not irritating my scalp. So you can use a hard brush, and it is beneficial on a fresh cut, all right? And obviously this is not a fresh cut, but my hair is short. That's what I mean. I got a fresh cut a week ago. My hair grows fast, you can see. Bro, my taper and everything grew back. But I'm getting a haircut on Tuesday. Today is Friday when I'm filming this. I'm getting a haircut on Tuesday, so we do have a big announcement on Tuesday too about the next drop. When that'll drop, the next drop, and I have the drop right here, man. I got the product right here. I can't show y'all though, but the next drop announcement will be Tuesday. So follow me on Instagram. You see it right there. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, man. Bro, that's the business Instagram. So, you know, and also you join text alerts, peopletogmerch.com. Join the text alerts. You'll get notified either on there or on my Instagram or whatever. But you always want to get text alerts, man. It's just always good to get those because, you know, I do giveaways, we do sales, and you'll get a text straight to your phone. And I send them out myself. I don't have a manager, nobody doing that, bro. All the shit I do myself. So you getting a text strictly from me. Whatever it says on that text, I wrote it out. And I sent out the blast to everybody. So you don't want to miss out on nothing that I got going on. Exclusive offers and stuff like that. Sales, all that. So make sure you join text alerts via peopletogmerch.com. It's easy. As soon as you go there, you'll see it. Boom. Join text alerts. Alright? But that's pretty much it, man. You can use a hard brush and it is beneficial on short cuts, okay? On short hair. So that's it for the video, man. I ain't gonna keep dragging this video for no reason. Just make sure that you implement that. Try it when you get a shortcut. Try to use the hard brush. And like I said, don't apply too much pressure. Just kind of like glide it on your head. And then you'll be able to tell how much you'll be able to tell how much pressure that you can apply with the hard brush by just using it and just, okay, well this is too, you know, this don't hurt me that much. Let me apply a little bit more pressure. So you press down a little bit more, brush. The same pattern, everything. Okay, this is perfect. So now I know, okay, I can apply this much pressure and not irritate my scalp and still gain progress, all right? And if you want to get this brush, man, you get it from peopletogmerch.com. This right here is, you know what I'm saying? They on sale right now as well. You see these bristles is elite, man. Everything is that we got on there on the website is elite. We got the hard brush, medium brush, soft brush. We also had a collector's edition, man. I'm gonna show you the collector's edition right here. You know, you can buy them singly, but you can buy the collector's edition too. This the box right here, bro. You know what I'm saying? They open up, medium brush, you know what I'm saying? Hard brush, soft brush. Bro, we doing it big, man. We doing it big, man. I'm telling you. peopletogmerch.com, man. Go cop your hard brush, go cop your collector's edition, go cop whatever you want to cop. All from there, man. I love y'all, man. Look, If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! Nigga, stop playing. Pick up that hard brush. Get to motion. Man, so your shit can be wavy like the ocean. You playing. Pick up that brush. Let's get it.
All we do is drip. Yeah.
Checkmate, puto.
Gang.